Ngucanio iria thiururukite mugunda wa Ruaraka no ithiete na mbere kuoya mwerekera mweru o gwakia. Na thutha wa riboti kumira ati kwaya gukorwo thirikari yarihiire mugunda wayo muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.5 na no irabanga kuriha thirĩ uria itigitie wa ciringi bilioni 1.7. Komiconi ya migunda ni iyumiritie ikiuga ni utheri irarehe uhoro-ini wiigie mugunda ucio. Muikariri giti wa komiconi iyo Mohammed Swazuri augite mugunda ucio ni wa mundu kiumbe na gutiri undu kungithii gutwike ati thirikari yagurire mugunda wayo.
So if a court has said it is private land, Parliament in 2012 said it is private land, Parliament today has said it is private land, what is wrong? The Ministry of Education has said it is private land. What is wrong with the Commission? There's even a task force report which has said so. What is wrong with the Commission prescribing the necessary legislation for land acquisition?
Swazuri augite kwina maratathi mothe ma kuonania ati mugunda ucio ni wa mundu kiumbe kwanjia mwaka wa 1981 na ona honge citiganite cia thirikari cianeka uthuthuria hau kabere na kumbura ati mugunda ucio ni wa kambuni ya mwonjoria Francis Buru.
There was a parliamentary committee headed by Fred Kapondi in the same year, which also said that the land is private, please pay, and payment was made. So who are these people who are saying that the government is paying for its own land? Who are these?
Ngucanio ya mugunda ucio yaumirire riria thirikari yanjiririe mutaratara wa kugura mugunda ucio uria wina cukuru igiri cia thirikari, cikaro nene cia maabitha a GSU, kambi ya cifu hamwe na tabarĩra citiganite cia thirikari.
The searches from the Ministry of Land, the registry, twice, 2015, 2017, twice, and 2018, have all confirmed it is private land. And the law says that once the registrar confirms that, that is enough evidence, it is conclusive evidence that somebody is on that land. So what mistake has this commission done?
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa thitango Nurdin Haji ni acoketie fairo cia uthuthuria wa mugunda ucio kuri ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania EACC, akienda uthuthuria ucio wikwo weru na njira ya kihinyo.
So for me, I want a comprehensive investigations to be done on the Ruaraka land, and that's the piece that involves the school, and then we'll embark on the GSU land, and on the road too. There's a road reserve that was paid.
Mwonjoria Francis Buru mwena-ini wake atitirithitie ati agurire mugunda ucio mwaka wa 1981 na kuga ati ni eguthitanga thirikari, akiuga ati ni iramwagagia thengi ya gukorwo mugunda ucio ni wake. Kahinda-ini kau Buru ni ahandite cira igoti-ini akienda ruhonge rwa EACC rugirio kumwagagia. Maina wa Wiigie, Inooro TV.